Welcome to BizGuide Vegas, your one-stop guide to doing business in Las Vegas. Today, we're going to learn how to promote your Las Vegas business on Pinterest. Pinterest may not be as popular as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, but given the fact that it became as the fastest growing standalone site to have reached 10 million unique users back in 2012, speaks of its potential in reaching a wider audience and getting the word out to promote your business. The first step in promoting your Las Vegas business on Pinterest requires you to create a Pinterest business account by choosing the option to join as business. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Pinterest website by typing Pinterest on your Google search box. Once you're there, on the search results, click on the link, and it will lead you to the page similar to what you're looking at. Since we're creating an account to promote your business on Pinterest, be sure to click on the button to create a business account and use an email address that matches the name of your business and set up a password that you're sure to remember before clicking the button to create account. You will be directed to a screen that is similar to what you're looking at, and you will eventually see this part that looks like a software installation wizard where you simply have to select the appropriate option for your business while supplying the required information as you click through the succeeding windows. Once you reach this part, click Get It Now to add the Pinterest button on your browser by clicking Add to Chrome. Doing so will enable you to pin images to your board. Given that you're done setting up the Pinterest account for your business, created a board post, and have successfully added the Pinterest Save button in your browser, you may now create pins using images from your website. In case you have yet to build a website, you can skip this part and start adding pins. The final step is for you to promote your business on Pinterest. Assuming that you have successfully set an account for your business on Pinterest, you may promote your content by adding a widget to your website so you can easily share it across other social media platforms. In reference to the third step, click the link to open the widget builder. From here, we can see the different types of widgets that you can add to your website. And for the sake of this tutorial, let's just say that you would like to add a Save button. Simply copy this code and add it on the source code of your website. If you'd like to add a Follow button, simply copy this code and do the same step by embedding this code to your site. Should you consider adding other widgets, simply do the same by copying the code to be added. Thank you for watching our BizGuide video on how to promote your Las Vegas business on Pinterest. Should you have any questions about how to start your business in the state of Nevada, do type them in the comments below. If you like what you're learning from our channel, click like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content from BizGuide Vegas.